We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at Studio Apartment 7H. Let's go on in. We've got the kitchen over here on our right side. And in Collegetown Plaza, the H, J, and L apartments will have the kitchen on the right. The I and the K apartments will have it on the left. Those apartments are all in a row as we go in. And here you can see we've got the refrigerator, microwave, sink, stove, and oven. We've got cabinets and drawers. Over here we've got the bathroom across from the kitchen. Let's take a peek in there. Bathrooms are all the same here in Collegetown Plaza. So you have the full-size standing tub shower, there's the vanity and sink and a toilet, and there's a medicine cabinet over on the right side wall. Let's go into the apartment. We're up here on floor 7, so that's a nice high floor. Here on 7, you get the air conditioner built in underneath the window, so that's a feature on floors 7, 8, and 9. Let's see the furnishings. We've got the desk and chair, there's a bookshelf, there's a dining table. Oh, we've got the closet open over here. So we've got a closet space for you. Let's go back around. You can see the dresser and the full-size bed. And let's take a look out and see this gorgeous view that we've got out the window. So we're facing west. Isn't that beautiful? So you've got the great valley views. You can see downtown. We're facing to the west. And if you look over this way, I'm gonna zoom in so you can see a little better. Up there, that is the south end of Cuba Lake. So you do have a partial lake view here from this apartment as well. So that's a look at Studio Apartment 7H here in Collegetown Plaza. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road here in central Collegetown, and we're just one block from campus.